Yo, what's going on, man? It's Drake Trades, and I'm here with a update, uh, a trade breakdown, some payout information. I'm just gonna give y'all everything that y'all want to see. I'm gonna show y'all my strategy. I'm gonna show y'all me getting a payout request. I'm gonna show y'all everything. So first off, let's go on and show y'all what y'all want to see. This is my trade Zeller. I currently have 4 live Topstep accounts. In total, I'm up 4,000 with a 76% win percentage. I'm 72 and 22. I win 80% of my days, 9 and 2. This I know is a little bit of an eye catcher. Let me go ahead and explain this to y'all. You do not need a 1 to 2 risk reward. You don't need a 1 to 3. You don't even need a 1 to 1. I know. You've been listening to the FX gurus, the future gurus, and they say you got to have these crazy risk rewards. They are leading y'all in the wrong direction, bro. I'm gonna go ahead and tell y'all this right now. They're leading you in the wrong direction. They want you to fail. Now, sure, some people succeed like that, but you see, I'm putting the numbers in your face. I'm gonna tell y'all exactly what I do. I'm gonna show y'all my history. I risk, on average, my setup. I'm looking to make $150 and I risk 500. Call it crazy, call you what you want. This is my trade history, bro. Win, 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 win. Win, 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 win. Now keep in mind when I take a L, the mugs hurt, but your win percentage is gonna be so high if you can maintain your right mindset. If you can maintain mental clarity, you'll be able to make it through a payout. So yeah, keep in mind these are a lot of these trades are just being copy traded. That's why it looks like it's so many, but really these are all the same trades. You feel me? Just spread out account across 4 different accounts. So boom, got that out the way. Y'all see the trade Zella. Now I'm gonna show y'all my Topstep. Boom. Let me go to the accounts that I've gotten a payout from. Boom, as you can see, I currently have 10 total winning days of $500. Oh, so that means I am ready for my second payout on this account as well as this account, I believe. Did it update? Yeah, okay, so yeah, there you go. So on this account as well, I'm up 10 winning training days. So when it's time, I already requested my payout, but I'm gonna show y'all how I did it. So when it's time for a payout, you go here, you go to payout request. Boom. I use Wise. Quick little manifestation tip. Even if you are not funded, even if you don't even have a challenge account, I want you to go on your phone and download the Wise app right now, set up an account, just so you can put out there that you're about to receive some payouts. Cause I ain't gonna lie, as soon as I did that, I started receiving payouts. Like I didn't have no challenge accounts, I didn't have no fundeds, but I just said, man, how I said to myself, how am I gonna get a payout if I don't even have the method of getting paid out on download on my phone? So I just seen that they needed the Wise account, boom, I downloaded Wise, set up an account, and very soon, I had started receiving actual payouts. but you still need the skill set. So you go here, fill your name out, boom, you click the account. I currently have 2 accounts ready for payouts. So as you can see here, current balance is 1,382. As y'all all know, Topstep allows you to withdraw 50% of however much you're up. So 1,382 divided by 2, boom, 691. Put it in. Target currency USD. Accept, boom, and then you submit it. I've already submitted the payout, so I'm not gonna do it right now, but I will show y'all. Start payout. This is from today. As you can see, this was 1 hour ago. So boom, account 728. I submitted the payout for $691. And I'm copy trading. So account 787, I just submitted a payout for $636. Now this is my second trip of payouts. I'm gonna show y'all my first trip. Oh, and this is some other sauce that I didn't know. When you get paid, oh, okay. So this is my first payout. It was $789. Boom. Then I received, because I'm copy trading, another payout of $765. Now, what I was saying, when you get paid, they say that they're gonna give you a first payout bonus of $150, which is essentially the activation fee that you paid to get the front of the account. I was under the understanding that they're gonna pay you $150 for every single account once you reach payout. But apparently they only give you $150 per size account. So I have 4 50K accounts. They're only gonna pay one $150 refund for 50K accounts. If I was to have a 50K, 100K, 150K, then they would pay me 3 $150 payout bonuses because they're all 3 different sizes. So they don't pay you per account, they pay you per account size. Quick little detail that I didn't know, that I realized after they said they wasn't gonna send me that money. I was like, what? But so boom, y'all seen that, and just so you know what I'm saying, this is a real deal. This is my Wise account. This is the account that I created just for. I created this account. I created this bank account just for my Topstep withdrawals. So as you can see here, 765.87, 789.87. You know what I'm saying? Hey, don't judge me too much. You know what I'm saying? I was feeling a little good. Got me some Pizza Hut after that. Spent me a little money in 7-Eleven. But other than that, you feel me? You're saying I really been chilling. This I was just seeing how quick the money moved. If I could move this to a different bank account if I wanted to, just like that. That's why I just sent a cool $75. But yeah, and as y'all seen, I just requested 691 and 650 something. So I should have like 1,300 more dollars coming in about 2-3 days. It'll take you about, it took me my first payout, it took about 2-3 business days to receive my payout. So I'm expecting the same for this account. So I should be up to close, almost 3K, but not quite. So now I'm gonna show y'all the strategy. Y'all seen the money, y'all seen the TradeZella, y'all seen the Gmail, y'all seen the Wise account. I don't think I need to show y'all anymore. Now I'm gonna show y'all exactly how I make the money. So this is my strategy. Just gonna go ahead and this is no bullshit. I'm not gonna hide no sauce. I'm gonna tell y'all exactly what I do step by step how to make this money. Now keep in mind this is my first video, so I might not explain it as well. I'm gonna make a couple of mistakes. It might not come off as clear as I would like, but I'm gonna try my best, and y'all just gonna have to bear with me if you want the information. So, boom, it's what I do is this is no cap. I trade every day from 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. Central Time. So if you Eastern, it's gonna be from 3 to 4. I don't know the other time zones, but for me, it's 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. Man, I wake up at 1:50. Like I'm not, bro. Everybody talking about this whole man, you gotta do this and do that, bro. Man, listen, I've been doing this for 3 years, bro. I've been trading for 3 years. I'm fed up with all that, man. I done tried everything. I first started reaching success when I just forgot about all that other shit. They say, you gotta hit the gym, you gotta take cold showers. Y'all know that all that self improvement stuff, man. You treat it like a business. To a certain extent, it's true, but this is like I'm the same way y'all see me recording this. This is the same way I trade in this exact position. So I start trading at 2 p.m. Central. Man, this is what I do. I wake up at 1:50. I rub my eyes, man. I wake up at 1:50. I rub my eyes, grab my laptop, bro. Open trading view. The markets will look something like this, man. This is 150. 1350 is 150. I don't start trading till 2 o'clock. This is what I look for. I turn on these indicators. Rule number one, y'all need to turn these indicators on. I used to be a price action trader. I mean, I'm still am a price action trader, but I used to be a what's it called? I didn't used to have no indicators. Basically, I just used to come to the chart. Oh, I can see the zones with my eyes. I'm such a good trader. I can see all the zones. Dude, you can see a lot of zones with your eyes, bro. But when you turn on these indicators, bro, like it'll show you what you're missing. I'll tell you that much. And I started seeing real success when I humbled myself and started putting indicators on my screen. I mean, this is just moving averages and supply and demands. But you'd be surprised how many supply and demand zones you miss when you just think you know it all, bro. So boom, I turn on. So go ahead and get a good look at these and add them to your screen. I'm trying to tell you. So what I do is I come to the chart, it'll look like this. What you want to do is you find the nearest zone. Like when I get to the charts, man, I'm ready to trade. Like I like to get in and get out, and I'll be done. So I open my eyes, boom, I see the zone right here. Mark it out. That's the zone I'm gonna be using. I want a supply zone and I want a demand zone. Boom. If you didn't know, when you put these indicators on, it's gonna show you some candles that are purple. This is basically another reason. This is basically another way of saying that this is a demand or a supply zone as well. So when you're marking out these zones, you want the nearest one. You don't want the zone way over here or the zone right here, or zone right here, zone right here. You want the nearest one, which is this little upside down hammer rejection, whatever kind of candle you want to call that. Boom, mark it out. So this is when it gets to the good stuff. You really only need the 5 and the 1 minute. I got the 1531 and the 4 hour up here just because, what I'm saying, I just like to shift through time frames every now and then. But you really just need the 5 minute and the 1 minute. So you mark the zones out on the 5. You switch over after you got the zone switched over, you switch to the 1. And all you want to do after you got the zones marked up, you don't even need the indicators anymore, bro. Because at some point that just become a distraction. After you mark those zones out, just go ahead and take them out, because these are the only zones you're gonna be using. You're only trading for 1 hour, so you only trading for 1 hour, and you only need 2 trades. So this should be enough. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna switch to the 1 minute time frame, and you're going to wait patiently for a price to either get to your supply zone or get to your demand zone. Simple as that. So let's go. Boom, boom, boom. Boom. It enters the zone. When price enters my zones, man, I just start jumping for joy because I know I'm finna win. Like I know I'm finna at least get a trade. I know at least I'm finna get a trade. So it enters the zone. As soon as it enters the zone, boom, you get your template, sauce, sauce tip number, whatever we on, sauce tip number 5. Set a template for your trades. This is my trade template, no cap. This is that 144, those 144s you were seeing on my trade Zella. This is what it is, bro. 15 pip TP, 50 pip SL. Yeah, I know this is not what they taught you. I know they taught you do 1 to 3, 1 to 2. I know they taught you your trades got to look like this. I know this is what they said. They said, well, you need a 1 to 5. No, bro. No, bro. They leading you astray. They want you to lose. This is how you get wins. This is how you build confidence. This is how you build discipline. Boom. As soon as price enters your zone, you start trailing it. You want to get in the moment it breaks above that candle high. The moment it shows you a second of rejection, you're in. You don't waste time. You don't sit up and hesitate. You start trailing immediately because, bro, the indicator showed you this is a strong zone, bro. Trust your indicator, trust your eyes. This zone will hold. And this is why you only want to do it at, I'm giving y'all some crazy sauce right now. This is why y'all only want to do this, or this is why I do it at 2 p.m. Because for those experienced traders, you know that from like 7 a.m. to 10, 11, markets, especially NQ, man, it's hectic. That 50 pip SL, it'll wick you out in a second and you'll just be sick. But at 2 p.m., volume drops. You know what I'm saying? Bankers go to lunch. People is getting ready to go home. You feel me? It's really just a lot of retail traders. It's just pure. The later you get in the day, the more pure the price action is going to be. So if you're entering in a supply or demand zone at 2 p.m., your odds of hitting are way higher than you guys entering at New York Open. Like, it's New York Open. There's news coming out. People are just hopping into trades, bro. Your zone is going to get blown through and you're going to be screaming how supply and demand doesn't work. It works. You're just trading at the wrong time. But now that we passed that. So it's 2 p.m. Currently, this is at 2:02. Like, I'm telling you, I'm telling you, I'm just not waking my eyes. I'm rubbing my eyes right now. And I'm saying, okay, I gotta set up. Let me set this up. So boom, price gets into the zone, you start trailing, you wait for the high. Boom, next candle. It did not break that high. So guess what? We gonna move it down, bro. I'm telling you, the moment price enters your zone, you're gonna get a trade because you're going to trail every single candle until it breaks that high. And you're gonna wait for a 15 pip push. You're gonna set your TP. It's gonna get hit, and you're gonna be okay with it, bro. The only person who can mess up this strategy is you. You can't get greedy. You must stay disciplined. You must wait till the set time that you choose. You must accept your small win. So, boom, we still trailing. Next candle still didn't break the high. So guess what? We still just trailing. We waiting to get activated. We are not activated yet. Boom, just like that. We get activated as soon as it breaks. Now we're just waiting for TP smash. TP smash. This is why you keep a 50 pip SL. This trade went 40 pips in drawdown. Like, but was I ever worried? And by the way, this I'm showing y'all back testing, but these is trades I really took throughout the week. Just to remind y'all. These are trades I took throughout the week. This is starting on the 5th. This is the 19th. I'm recording this on the 19th. These are trades I really took. So yeah, boom. I made my 150. And as y'all know, for Topstep, you need 5 winning days of 200 in a row in order to qualify for a payout. So obviously 150, one trade with this strategy ain't gonna work. So what are you gonna do? You're gonna take one more and you're gonna be done for the day. But on this second setup, you're doing the same thing. My only personal preference is I don't like using the same zone twice unless it drops below the last rejection point. So let me explain to you what I mean. Turn your, by the way, when you going for your second setup, turn your indicators back on. Make sure there's no, make sure there's not a new zone that has informed that you didn't see. As you can see, this we're still playing with the same zone. So like I said, I would only use this zone again if price comes below this last low. This is how price went, and it touched right here before it rejected. So for me to enter, price is gonna have to come down here again. I'm not gonna be waiting for an entry after it pushes back right here, because that's I want to win my trades. I don't know about y'all. I'm not gambling. Like, I want to win my trade. You feel me? So I'm gonna wait. So as you can see, the zone is the same. There's no new zones. We still got this supply and this demand. So or is this demand and this supply? I get those confused, bro. A zone is a zone. Who cares? So we're just gonna wait. Turn these. Gonna turn these indicators back off. And like I said, now if we come back into the zone, I'm only gonna enter if it drops below here. So let's go. Boom, boom, boom. See what we get. Mind you, we only have till 3 o'clock. If 3 o'clock hits and we don't have another setup, oh well. So boom. This is an example of what I was saying. Yes, it's in my zone, but it has not dropped further than the last rejection. So I still won't enter. If this was the first time, if this was the first time around with this zone, I would already be looking for an entry, but we already done hit off the same zone. So I'm gonna play it a little cautious. Just keep waiting. Boom. As you can see, we're getting pretty close. I'd say that's close enough for me to call it a break. So boom. Guess you already know. I'll keep that over there. You know what we do? What we gonna do? We're gonna trail the most recent candle. We're gonna trail the high of the most recent candle. And if this was a supply zone, let me look this up real quick because I feel like I'm saying it wrong. Supply zone and demand line. Let me make sure I'm not tripping. Okay, yeah. Supplies. Okay, supplies at the top, demand on the bottom. Yeah. So if this was a supply zone, I'd be trailing the low of the candle. You know what I'm saying? You just reverse it depending on what side that you're trading. So this is a demand zone. So we're gonna be trailing the high. Boom, it broke. We in. And what I want to say, TP smash, by the way, what I want to say when it gets right here, bro, this is when you get trades like this, I want to tell you, I want you to listen when I tell you this. When you get your trade and it's in one of these positions and you're about 10 pips away from SL, do not touch nothing, bro. You let the trade play out. This is those moments, those small moments right there will decide if you're gonna become successful or not. You know the strategy, you know how to execute it. You enter and then you just wait, bro. It's either gonna hit SL or it's gonna hit TP. Don't touch nothing, bro. Let the numbers be the numbers. I've showed you the win rate. If you execute it right, you're gonna have a 70 to 80% win rate, bro. You don't have nothing to worry about, bro. Just do the same thing again every day, and you're gonna win. As simple as that, bro. So boom, that's another TP, and that hit at 250 right in time. I'd be done for the day. I go for 2 wins. I either lose one time and I'm done for the day, or I win twice and I'm done for the day. And they have this is sauce tip number 3. When you are getting a Topstep account. Use Topstep X. Don't use Tradeovate. Don't use Ninja Trader. Use Topstep X, and I'm gonna tell you exactly why. I'm gonna tell you exactly why. The reason why you want to use Topstep X, uh, these are my current live accounts right here. The reason why you want to use Topstep X is because of this screen right here. Every single time I take a trade, I market execute. 2 contracts, by the way. Only use 2 contracts. 2 contracts, 2 contracts, 2 contracts. Don't use 3, don't use 4, don't use 5, don't use 1. Use 2 contracts every time. Do not switch it up. Because that's how you can get the right pips and 2 contracts. Every single time I take a trade, bro, risk 500, risk 150. I don't have to set a SL or TP, nothing. It's gonna automatically set it. Personal daily loss. When it touches $500, my account will get blocked. Simple as that. My personal daily profit, I'm not sure why it says 300. My personal daily profit is 350. I mean, it's 300. Once I profit $300, Topstep will lock my account out. I can't mess it up. I know a lot of you that are watching have the same problem as me. Man, when I take a win, I want to win again. When I take a loss, I'm trying to make it back. When you set your parameters up like this, you get out of your own way, bro. There's been times, no cap, there's been times where I've lost a trade. It will block me out, and I'm so ready to like I'm so ready to crash out. I'm trying to I'm trying to get around the parameters, man. I'm trying to undo the setting and it won't let me. Like I'm trying to go into my risk settings and change it up to see if I can get back into my account. Man, once you I confirm lockout, once it locks your account out, bro, you can't trade till the next day and there's nothing you can do about it. So yeah, this is a very useful tool. So and also boom, this is the copy trader. It comes with a built-in copy trader. It's just an all-around better platform. So I think I showed y'all everything. Pretty sure I showed y'all everything. So yeah, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Signal chat coming soon, course coming soon, live trading sessions coming soon, better trade breakdowns and strategy breakdowns, more clear and concise explanations coming soon. I'm 23 years old doing this shit, man. You know what I'm saying? Like this is what I do. Like I lay in my bed and I make thousands of dollars, bro. Like I come from warehouse work. You know what I'm saying? I've been working warehouse for 5 years straight, bro. Come on, bro. I can't I something gotta give, bro. I couldn't do that shit no more, bro. I said, hell no, this is either gonna work, nigga, or I'm gonna die. Simple. Like I'm not about to I that warehouse work, it should break you down, bro. I dropped out of college. That was all I had. It's either this or warehouse. You feel me? I know a lot of y'all watchers in that same position. So yeah, drop in the comments what kind of videos y'all like to see from me. I'll do another update video when this next $1,300 come in and hit the Wise account. And then hopefully we can just keep it going. My trading day reset. So I got another 5 coming up. An opportunity to make another 13 to 1500. I got 2 more accounts in the back burner. That's another opportunity to make another 1500. Looking to make it like a $3,000 payout. So yeah, we just on some rinse and repeat right now, stacking up this money. Then I'm gonna go live, probably mess with Hanko trade, just some more income, bro. And yeah, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and more videos on the way. Thank you guys for watching, and be easy.